This video demonstrates Proxedo Network Security's or PNS's Zero Trust capabilities. We showcase micro-segmentation, least privileged access, encryption, authentication, and monitoring, all of which are listed among the key principles of the Zero Trust security concept. As a main policy enforcement point, Proxedo Network Security is the core element of Balasys'in Zero Trust solution. Micro-segmentation. Segmenting your network is the foundation for building a Zero Trust environment. PNS supports micro-segmentation in the form of network zones. Zones can represent the administrative hierarchy of your company, including the inherited access rights of the user groups. You can implement micro-segmentation on the lowest level of this hierarchy. Instead of perimeter-based defense, Zero Trust also enforces policy on the internal network level. So the zones should include access restrictions on the lowest level of your company hierarchy. Least privileged access. Thanks to proxy technology, users cannot use network services that violate the protocol standards. This makes it impossible to exploit vulnerabilities due to protocol errors. You can granularly control access on a protocol level. For example, you can enforce unidirectional data transfer in the FTP protocol, preventing data leakage from file servers. Or, for example, you can enable terminal sessions but disable port forwarding in SSH protocol based on the group membership. You can even block access to specific sites based on a whitelist blacklist and block access to sensitive data based on the document's content. Encryption. To avoid eavesdropping and keep the confidentiality of the data, Zero Trust requires encrypting all network traffic, not just externally, but in your internal network. PNS offers complete control over TLS encrypted channels. It allows flexible configuration of TLS policies, enforcing both strong encryption and backward compatibility for legacy clients at the same time. These powerful encryption capabilities serve as the basis of trustworthy authentication. Authentication and authorization. Zero Trust requires all users to be authenticated before accessing your applications and data. PNS supports several authentication methods to verify the user's real identity. These methods include basic and form-based authentication in the case of web servers, certificate-based authentication in the case of TLS servers, or agent-based authentication independently from the server. In addition, PNS supports the Microsoft Windows domain and multi-factor authentication as well. After the authentication, PNS authorizes every user session. Logging and monitoring. Zero Trust requires monitoring your network and every user and device in your IT environment. Proxedo Network Security supports detailed, multi-layer logging. The logs are generated at the network, transport, application, and service levels and can be linked to real user identities. PNS generates logs about every action that is implicitly denied, as there are no applicable rules for it. This capability helps you discover user actions that are not covered by your access policy.